Look up at the night sky. The vastness of the universe stretches beyond imagination. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, and uncountable planets, each moving in an endless cosmic dance. But what is all this made of? From the brightest star to the smallest speck of dust, everything we see, touch, or even feel is built upon the fundamental truth: matter. Matter is the fabric of existence. It takes countless forms, yet, despite this variety, everything is constructed from the same invisible building blocks. These building blocks are atoms, the fundamental units of matter. Indivisible in ordinary chemical reactions, atoms define the very essence of everything around us. In this video, today we are going to understand the basic concept of atomicity. The atomicity of an element is the number of atoms in one molecule of that element. For example, oxygen has an atomicity of 2, while ozone has an atomicity of 3. The atomicity of oxygen is 2. It means that 2 individual oxygen atoms come together to make a molecule of oxygen. Similarly, the atomicity of ozone is 3, where 3 individual atoms of oxygen combine together to form one ozone molecule. Finally, the atomicity of phosphorus is 4, while that of sulfur is 8. And so, from the grand scale of galaxies to the tiniest atom, we find a common thread. Everything in the universe is built upon the same fundamental units. Atomicity is not just a concept of science, it is the key to understanding the structure of everything around us. So next time you look at the night sky or even at your own reflection, remember, you are part of this cosmic design, a masterpiece written in atoms. The universe is vast, but its essence is simple. It all starts with an atom. Thanks for watching this. Hit the like button and subscribe for more such edutainment content.